Let us directly get going on the job. There is a website called cpp.sh, which is basically a C++ shell program where we can straight away do online programming in C++ language. It even allows me language variation as per various standards, various warnings levels, optimization level, and the kind of standard input we want to use. So let me write my own program. So let us begin with comments first. These two front slashes are used for comments. So let us write the typical hello world program first. And very important thing is the include, which includes the library, the way we do it in C also. But here we'll most popularly used library is IOStream. We do not usually include .h because .h is usually the C kind of libraries. The C++ libraries are usually without h extension. We'll write main routine, and since the main is supposed to return int, we'll use int main, and we won't give anything as an input to main at this stage. Then we'll write just a little bit enlarge this so that you can see this much more easily. So in the main we'll write cout, and this is our special operator. We'll just discuss this, and within cout we'll write hello world. We'll close this. This is a string literal. That means this string will as such get printed, and this is since we are using the C object console out, so this will be directly printed. And this, since we are outputting to console, this we call it stream insertion operator. That means it is inserting into the stream which is going to console. We'll use this another operator and give this end of the line so that a new line comes in. Often you must have seen that in previous programs you were giving new line like this. But here, to be really operating system independent, we recommend this AND-L object to be given with another stream insertion operator. And another important point we want to tell you is that all the C++ methods, objects, classes are actually within the standard namespace. So there are two ways to do it. Either we include this std name, space name, then a resolution operator, and then the method or object name. Or the other way is we use it here as using name space std just once. But since you may like to use your own namespace also, many good programmers recommend this method. That means inclusion of this std in front of C++ library routine names. Okay, so this is our first program, and then we'll run it. Let us run it. See what happens. There is some error. Let us read that error. AND-L was not declared in this scope. Very correct, because I have forgot to use this in front of this, because this is also one of the library portion objects. Let us run it now. Good. This hello world has come. So that's how the C++ first program has taken shape.
Please like, share and subscribe.